Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hemant the Social Engineers. Today I am bringing some general knowledge current affairs of India and world. So before going to discuss in details, those who not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe so that you can get up to date information. First one, without making delay, let's discuss that is largest state of India, Rajasthan, 3,42,239 square kilometers. Second smallest state of India, Goa, 3,702 kilometer to square kilometer. Third largest union territory of India, Jammu and Kashmir, 42,241 square kilometer. Fourth one smallest union territory of India, Lakshadweep, that is 32.62. Liberalizations, privatizations, and globalizations introduced in India, popularly which is known as LPG, which was introduced by former finance ministers and former prime ministers in 1991. Dr. Manmohan Singh under the leadership of P.V. Narasimha Rao, that is 1991. The rate at which RBI lends money to commercial banks, that is known as popularly repo rate. And the rate at which the commercial banks lends to RBI is known as reverse repo rate. Which type of market has few sellers and many buyers, that is oligopoly? Which type of market has one seller and many buyers, that is monopoly? Which type of market has many sellers and many buyers and sells homogeneous product, that is perfect competitions? Which type of market has many sellers and many buyers and sells heterogeneous products, that is monopolistic competitions? A closed economy means when there is no import and export. Indian economy is a who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Animal stores glucose in the form of glucogen. Which gland is known as master gland? Pituitary gland. Which is known as powerhouse of living cells? Mitochondria. The hormone which regulates glucose in human blood. Indira Gandhi did nationalization of 14 banks 1969. Reserve Bank of India formed in the year 1st April 1935. Nationalization of RBI 1949. Which blood group is known as universal recipient? AB. Which blood group is known as universal donor? O. Which gland controls the blood pressures? Adrenal gland. In which part of the body digestion of the protein starts? Stomach. Proteins are made of amino acid. Number of chromosomes in human gene 46. Originally in the Indian Constitution, Article 395 articles. Originally in the Indian Constitution 8 schedules. Originally in the Indian Constitution 12 parts. Originally in the Indian Constitution adopted in 26 November 1949. Originally in the Indian Constitution enforced 26 January 1950. At present in the Indian Constitution 12 schedules. At present in the Indian Constitution 25 parts. London is situated on the bank of Thames River. Washington DC is situated on the bank of Potomac River. Moscow is situated on the bank of Moskva River. Bangkok is situated on the bank of Chao Phraya River. New York is situated on the bank of Hudson River. What is the current Lok Sabha number? 17 Lok Sabha. What is used in rocket engine? Liquid hydrogen. Who led revolt of 1857 from Meerut? Kadam Singh Gurjar. Who replaced the GATT, World Trade Organization 1995 General Agreement on Trade and Tariff, that is WTO replaced. In 2022 Winter Olympics venue will be Beijing. Cyclone Nivar named by which country? Iran. Cyclone Gati named by which country? India. Cyclone Amphan named by which country? Thailand. Cyclone Nisagra named by which country? First female President of India Srimati Pratibha Patil. First female Prime Minister of India Indira Gandhi. First female Chief Minister of India Sucheta Kripalini. First female Speaker of Lok Sabha Meera Kumar.